Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Look at this delicious, super easy paneer tikka recipe. Let's get started. Alright, so I have paneer cubes. This is fresh paneer, capsicum or bell pepper, and white onion. For marination, I'm using 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, if you can see that, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm also going to add red chili powder, about 1 tablespoon, pinch of turmeric, and some garam masala. Alright, so I've added 2 tablespoons of gram flour and 1 tablespoon of oil. Alright, so I've also added tandoori chicken masala. This is optional, but this is 1 tablespoon, and this is our roasted gram flour. This is about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Alright, so let's mix this together and add our veggies and paneer in it for marination. Alright, so I forgot about 1 tablespoon of roasted kasuri methi, which is fenugreek leaves, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Alright, so let's mix this well and make a paste. This is how just look at the consistency. Alright, so add paneer first because it needs to be marinated really well. So at least for 1 hour. If more, please do that. Alright, in a pan I've added about 2 tablespoons of oil and adding our marinated paneer. And look at this, I flipped most of the paneers on the other side just to cook, and in a minute it will be ready. Alright, similar way we are going to saute these onion and bell peppers. Alright, and just like that we are done with our base material. This is like paneer and bell pepper and onion. So you can use it in multiple different dishes. You can add it on top of the rice. You can make a burrito. So this is just a Sunday meal prep, quick and easy and tasty and protein rich. So I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. While it's sizzling hot, I'm going to enjoy with mint chutney. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.